Hello guys, welcome to the solution of Nouveau Sans Frontières 1. So in this playlist, we will solve all the lessons from A to Z from basic to advanced level. So whatever grammar and pronunciation, whatever will come in this lesson, we will solve it. So this is the introductory video. So description of the material. It's mean if you are buying the book, if you bought the book, so you will have livre de l'élève. It's mean the student book. Then cahier d'exercice. You will have an exercise book where you will be solving exercises. There is a livre du professeur, a book for the professor, how to teach and maybe having answer keys. And then cassette collective, group cassettes, collective cassettes, where you will have the recording of 4 hours and individual cassettes. Now we are going for the solution of livre de l'élève. So let me explain you. You will have 4 units in this book. In each unit we will have 5 lessons and one lesson to review the unit. A bila de l'unité. It means we will have one lesson to review all the 5 lessons in every unit. Now, à la fin de l'ouvrage, at the end of the book, you will have bila grammatical, grammar preview, then tableau de conjugaison, it means conjugation, which is very important, table of conjugation, lexic, it's mean a alphabetical orders dictionary, and tableau de contenu, table of the contents. Now, you will have bila, in which you will have tests, documents, and exercise for the revision. Then you will have bila grammaire, in which we will have the review for the grammar. Then tableau de conjugaison, it's mean all the conjugation models, it's mean different tense and with different subject pronouns. We will have the conjugation of the regular and irregular verb. Then lexic, it's mean a kind of dictionaries in which you will have all the nouns, adjectives, verb, preposition, adverbs in this book, right? So this is the introductory video. From the next video we are going to start the first lesson, and for your kind information, I will be keeping every video within 5 minutes, and in case you have any questions you can ping me in the comment section. And if you want to learn French, like if you are a student of Banaras Hindu University, JNU, or anywhere in the world, and if you are going through this book, and if you want the notes, so whether it's English language or Hindi language, you can go to my playlist. You will have grammar playlist. Apart from that, I have a website. We are running a website which is called Multilingual Banega India. So you can go to this website and you can search whatever you want. For example, I'm putting it here, right? You can see here Multilingual Banega India. So this is a blogger I'm running, right? But apart from this, we have a site as well. Just allow me some time. So this is the site which we are running to help all the students. So this is the site I'm talking about. You can go to Learn French playlist and you can have a look to grammar and everything, right? So structure of a lesson is here. So first of all, regardez, écoutez, watch and listen. Dialogue, a document. Then apprenez, which means learn, where you will be learning vocabulary and grammar. Then when it comes to activities, in each lesson you will repeat and reply, where you will learn sound and mechanism. Then writing activities you will have. Then parler, exercise aura, which means where in this section, I mean in each lesson you will have some exercises to speak. For example, speak about France, speak something about your city, country. You will have a listening exercise as well, right? And after that you will have observe et lise. It means you will observe and then you will read it. Fine. Chaque leçon est divisé à 3 parties and each lesson is divided into 3 parts, A, B and C, which will permit us to follow a very developed order. So this is the unit 1 and I will be explaining this unit in the next video. Thank you so much. Kindly share this with your friends so that everybody can learn. Learning is earning. Thank you so much.